Come back with you again with another video on this day. New Year video, another video. 01/08/2024. Brought to you by the $20 business. It's breaking the mold. No auto ship, no leg balance, no volume flushing, no BV, GVO, or OVO, or CVO, only $20 a month. No inventory to store. Xcelerate International is a $20 business that you can make a lot of money from. All you got to do is get people to join you. Get people to join your team, and you build from there. 3 people, 3 people, 3 people, 3 people. You guys get the point. Let people know. Let them join. Pay their $20 or join for free. They lock in the position. Yeah, the $20 business, like you see here, we can all afford $20. I'm not making no excuses about how can I afford $20. When are we gonna change our mindset? When are we gonna do things differently to make sure we can do something right? Years are moving. People say they're going to do this, they're going to do that. What are they doing now? What are they doing now? They ain't doing nothing. Just doing a bunch of talking. Yeah, just doing a bunch of talking. They ain't helping themselves out. And go from there. This is a $20 business that you cannot make no excuses on. We spend $20 every day. We spend $20 in restaurant. We spend $20 at Red Lobster. We spend $20 at Olive Garden. We spend $20 at the pizza restaurant. We spend $20 at your favorite restaurant. More people you go to that restaurant, that's double of the $20. If you have 10 people, you are looking at almost $300 worth of meal. You got to pay for that 10 people that was having a party at that restaurant. Double that $20. It's going to cost you $300 for those meals for that one day, for 10 people or more. That's including drinks. $300 for 10 people or more. So we making excuses we don't have $20. We making excuses that we can't do this. We making excuses. How's my mindset? How is my psyche? We making excuses. I don't want to put in no work. I want somebody else to do it for me. Ain't nobody gonna do nothing for you. Non-skeptical, non-business owner out there. Ain't no one gonna do nothing for you. A simply measly $20 that we already spending anyway at your favorite stores. Again, when you go to your favorite stores, you ain't walking out the door with the goods because the police is right there waiting on you. I call that sticky fingers. You know good and well if you ain't got no money, you ain't got no business going in that store. If you do have the money, why do you have the mindset you want to steal something? If you go to that store, pay for your item, and be safe going home. True story. Everything costs. Your gas in the car costs. Your shoes on your feet costs. Y'all got the point. Everything we do in life, it costs. Now everybody is online shopping, online. all your favorite stores, all your favorite restaurants are shutting down because there's no more funding to keep all your favorite restaurant and your store open, because the non-business owner out there do not want to open businesses and help the economy out to keep their favorite restaurant and the store open. Yes, your favorite stores are shutting down. Your favorite restaurants are shutting down. How are we going to eat your favorite restaurant? You have to order it online now. Somebody have to bring it to you at your own house. Uber, Lyft, or that's what was that name of that? Y'all got the point. You got the point. Yeah. Food Dash. Yes, Food Dash. Your restaurant's coming to you, to your own home. Because your favorite stores and your restaurant is not making enough money to have people sitting in a restaurant. Again, I'm a member with Live Good. Again, I'm a member with CBSU. Again, I'm a member with my traffic power line. I am a member with a lot of businesses. I'm setting myself in position. CCF, Club Cash Funds, Best Easy Work. And so forth and so on. Yes, I'm in position now. I'm a business owner. I work from home now. I love what I do. Not like what I do. I love what I do. I'm willing to learn what I do online. I learn different things every day. I'm thinking, making videos and doing it, and something just popped in my head what I need to put up next time if I do another video. I am teaching myself how the social media works. It's called self-understanding, self-respect, make a name for yourself, and let people know all about you on a positive note. Yes, world, on a positive note. Let people know all about you, what you love to do, not what you like to do. So that's why it's very important. Your mindset is very important to think, what do you want to do in life? Ain't nobody going to help us at all. Ain't no one going to help you. I can't stop stressing this. Again, this is the $20 business. It's breaking the mold. Nice silver color, black and silver color and gold. Nice and bright. I can see this. You seeing what I'm seeing here. That's what you seeing what I see here. Breaking the mold. Nice looking image. Only $20. Cost you $20. That's it. Yeah, we need to rewire brain cells. Not business owner out there. I feel like a broken record talking about the same old thing. Rewire your brain cells. Rewire your brain cells. What do you want in life? How do you want to do? How do you want to stay happy in life? What you want to do in life? What do you want in life? And so forth and so on. We have to have a hustle about our life. You have to be having a go-getter about yourself. You have to go get it. Ain't nobody gonna give you nothing. You have to be a go-getter. Again, it's not gonna be easy, but it's doable. All you gotta do is try. T-R-Y. Trying is a wonderful word. Trying, you can get a lot done. If you don't try, you ain't getting nothing done. Yes, if you don't try, you ain't getting nothing done. Try to be the best you can be by you rewiring your brain cells. Ain't nobody owe us nothing but yourself. Subject line. Ain't no one owe you nothing but yourself. All right, I'm going to come back with you again with another video. Thanks.